everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. To know how to fix Facebook not sending SMS code, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will click force stop. After that, in this page you will click storage. Then in this page you will go to click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.